In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play error 403. If you've tried downloading or updating an app from the Google Play Store and suddenly got error 403, don't worry. This error usually means the server has denied the request. In many cases, that happens because the app is being accessed with a different Google account than the one originally used to download or purchase it on your device. So the fix is often about refreshing the Play Store and making sure the correct account is being used. First, open your phone's settings, then go to Apps, find Google Play Store, and open Storage. From there, tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This removes temporary files and resets the Play Store app, which can clear up account sync issues or corrupted data that may be triggering the error. After doing that, restart your device and then try the download again. A full restart helps the system reload Play Store services cleanly. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to try is removing and re-adding your Google account. Go to Settings, then Accounts, select your Google account, and tap Remove Account. After that, restart your phone, then add the account back again. This can refresh your account connection with Google's servers and fix permission-related problems behind error 403. Another important check is your Google account selection. If you have multiple Google accounts synced on the same device, make sure you are signed in with the account that originally downloaded or purchased the app. This is one of the most common causes of this error, especially on shared phones or devices used for both personal and work accounts. If the problem still continues, go back to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store, tap the three dots in the corner and choose Uninstall Updates. This resets the Play Store to its factory version. Sometimes a recent Play Store update may not be working correctly, and rolling it back can help restore normal downloads. One more thing to check is your network configuration. If your Wi-Fi or mobile connection uses a proxy, it may be interfering with the Play Store connection. To fix that, go to Settings, then Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names or APN, and clear the proxy setting if one is present. This can remove a network level block that may be causing the error. After each method, try downloading the app again so you can see which fix worked. In most cases, one of these solutions resolves Google Play error 403 and gets the Play Store working normally again.